Morning, everyone. Jason from Hedge Plus with the weekly look at livestock markets. We'll start with Cal. Pulling back a little bit, kind of trending more sideways this week. I mean, it's not long ago, new highs were being set. You still have cash prices very strong, cutout value very strong. We're not seeing a drop off in demand with these high prices. The consumer's not shying away, or at least the market's not worried about that at this point. But when the market is this high, I've been saying it all along, getting bought puts in place under the market, they're expensive. So I think an advisor, this is where we can step in and help you come up with a strategy to get floors in place without spending an arm and a leg. So when the number pops up on the video you see, don't be afraid to call and ask questions. How do you guys do this? What do you think of this? That's what we do all day long. You call me crazy, but I love watching markets and trying to figure this thing out, make it a little easier for you guys. Cause these are high prices and the market can pull back $20, $30 without doing much damage to the long, big uptrend that we've had on the chart. But you certainly don't want to just kind of sit there without doing anything when prices are this high. So I'm not going to rule out that I think we could still go higher. But again, a pretty sizable pullback can happen. You just don't know when a fund manager taps, the fund guy trading this market on the shoulder and says, hey, let's lighten up a little bit here. So a little bit of a pullback. Every time we've seen a little down move, it's bought up right away. So I won't be too worried about it unless we see cash prices start to fall, unless they make an announcement that the border is reopening with Mexico or tariffs are being taken care of with Brazil. We still have tight supply issues. So I don't see us dropping off big, but sometimes, and you look at, we know how funds can move things. Sometimes that's the bigger picture. The hog market, new highs earlier this week. The December contract, I think we can get to 90. It's just, very good demand keeping up with beef. Let's see if we get another big export sales report this morning. Might kind of follow Cal if it has a little bit more of a setback. I think Hogs rallied 9 days in a row coming into, I think it was 2 days ago before setting back a little bit. But 90 is kind of my next spot that we gotta take advantage with some sales here. These are just really good prices. I don't think Hogs have as good of a chance of seeing this last forever. The strength like we're kind of seeing in the cow market. So call in if you have any questions. Otherwise, thanks for tuning in. See ya.